Hello children, welcome to RH Home Tutor. I hope all you are doing well. So we are in the quadratic equation in 5.3 solving the question number 7. The question is given in this way. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of a smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. So the question is very clumsy, but we'll make it as simplified. First let us two numbers. So we'll take two numbers. Let us take two numbers. We'll take it as x and y. Assume that here one is smaller and one is bigger. So we have taken x is greater than y. Means x is bigger and y is smaller. Now in the second sentence, the square of a smaller number. The square of a smaller number. So this is y square. Is equal to 8 times the larger number. So 8 times the larger number. So this is the first part. So we have taken the second half of the sum. The square of a smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So I got the one equation. Now we will go to the first part. Difference of a squares of a two numbers. We have taken two numbers x and y, and you know already x is more than y. So difference of squares of two numbers. Difference of squares of two numbers. So the meaning will be here. The difference of squares of two numbers is equal to how much? He has given it as 180. So this is equation number 2. If you frame these two equations, so the problem is over and you will get the answer. So check the difficulty level in this only. If you frame the equations, two equations like this, so the solution is quite simple. So once again, we have taken two numbers. Assume that x is more than y. In the two numbers, definitely one should be bigger and one should be smaller. According to the sum, smaller number square is equal to 8 times the larger number. I got the first equation. And the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. Now, from 1 and 2, in the place of y square, if you observe neatly, in the place of y square, so here it is y square. In this y square, I can substitute 8x. So I am writing x square minus, in the place of y square, so this y square is equal to 8x. So I am writing it as 8x. Minus 180 is equal to 0. I have taken inside of this one. Is it clear? Just I substituted the y square value. Y square value is how much? 8x. Now you know how to do the quadratic equation, how to solve the quadratic equation. Now we'll go further. So 1 with 180. So you will get it as minus 180. The product should be minus 180. And the sum should be the middle term. The sum should be the middle x coefficient, that is minus 8. So you will have many factors. So 180 is a, 290 is a, and 360 is a, 4 4 is a 6, 445 is a, 5 double 5, 3 is a 15, 5 36 is a, and 6 30 is a, and if I go further, I'll take it as 8 8 tens are. So 8, does it go by 8 table? Yes, I can take it as 18 tens are. 18 tens are 180. So we have a list of factors are many here, but I come to the directly to here and I will verify it. The sum should be minus 8. So if I take minus 18 plus 10, so you will get it as minus 8. Yes, the first condition is true. Multiply these two numbers. Minus 18 into 10 minus 180. So these are the perfect roots of the question. I am using that. So I am using these roots. So what will get it as x square minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 is equal to 0. So in the first two terms, if I take x common, x minus 18, and if I take 10 common, x minus 18 is equal to 0. So both the terms are differentiated with plus. If you check here, this plus this one, we have only two terms here, it is differentiating with plus. So we can take common x minus 18. If I take common x minus 18, you will get it as, in the first term x is left out and the second term 10 is left out. X plus 10 is equal to 0. So a into b is equal to 0, a is equal to 0, or b is equal to 0. So you will get x is equal to 18 or x is equal to minus 10. So we got the value of x. Means this value we got it. What about y? How you will get y? So we will get y by first equation. So once you observe this simplification. So what is the equation here? Y square is equal to 8x. So I will substitute the value of x. 8 into x. X is how much? Just now you got it as minus 18. So we are taking only positive 18 because of we are not taking the negative numbers. So take out of 10. So if I take 18, x value is 18. So what will get it as? This I can write it as what we can write? 18 job 144. So y square is equal to 144. So what is the value of y? So y is equal to square root of 144. You already know that what is the value of 144? That is 12. So x is 18 and y is 12. So these are the two numbers. As simple as that. First let us take x